In this video, I will show you how to fix the Valorant or Riot Client error. The application has failed to start because its side-by-side configuration is incorrect. Let's fix it quickly. First, open the drive where Riot Client or Valorant is installed. Usually, it is in C drive. Now go to Riot Games Riot Client. Inside this folder, click on the View tab, then select Show and enable file name extensions. Next, find the file named RiotClientServices.old. Right-click on it, choose Rename, and change .old to .exe. After renaming, run that file and check if the error is fixed. If the problem still continues, open your browser and download the latest Valorant or Riot Client installer from the official Riot Games website. Run the installer and reinstall Riot Client properly. Once installation is complete, launch the game again, and the side-by-side configuration error should be gone. That is it for this video. If this helped you, please subscribe and turn on notifications for more quick fixes. Thanks for watching.
Gave him a strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place. I wanna be first, work till it hurts. Dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes.